Welcome to Ghani Fatty Digital, where future billionaires are built. Freedom is not a gift bestowed upon us by other men, but a right that belongs to us by the laws of God and nature. There are two ways of being happy. We may either diminish our wants or augment our means. Either will do. The result is the same. And it is for each man to decide for himself and do that which happens to be the easiest. If you are idle or sick or poor, however hard it may be to diminish your wants, it will be harder to augment your means. Eat to live, and not live to eat. Reading makes a full man, meditation a profound man, discourse a clear man. Work as if you were to live 100 years, pray as if you were to die tomorrow. If a man empties his purse into his head, no man can take it away from him. An investment in knowledge always pays the best interest. Security without liberty is called prison. Tell me and I forget. Teach me and I remember. Involve me and I learn.